starting a landscape and yard care business can be a great way to earn extra cash while enjoying the outdoors. Whether you're mowing lawns, trimming hedges, or planting gardens, this side hustle offers a lot of flexibility and the opportunity to grow into a fully fledged business. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to start a landscaping and yard care business, covering everything from getting your first clients to managing your operations efficiently. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch and grow this side hustle. Up first is step 1. Have a clear plan. Before you mow your first lawn or invest in equipment, it's crucial to have a solid plan in place. This doesn't have to be a complex formal business plan, but it should provide clarity on your goals and direction. Ask yourself, where do I see my business in 5 years? Are you aiming to operate as a solo entrepreneur with a focused, small-scale business, or do you envision running multiple crews and expanding your service area? Having a vision for your future helps shape the decisions you make today. For those starting solo, saturating a specific neighborhood or area can maximize route density, reduce travel time, and increase profitability. For example, if you concentrate on serving clients within a 5-mile radius, you'll save on fuel costs, minimize wear and tear on your equipment, and have more time to complete additional jobs. This approach allows you to build a strong customer relationship and minimize overhead. On the other hand, if your long-term goal is to grow into a larger operation, you may need to start casting a wider net and expanding your service area. While this may be less efficient in the early stages, it sets the foundation for scaling your business as you fill in service gaps over time. Having a plan also means deciding on which services you're going to offer. Are you focusing solely on mowing lawns, or will you include additional services like weed control, fertilization, or seasonal work? The clearer your vision, the easier it'll be to make decisions that align with your goals. For example, if you plan to focus on residential clients, your equipment needs and marketing strategies will differ from someone targeting commercial properties or high-end landscaping projects. Step 2 is focusing on one service at a time. A common mistake that new lawn care business owners make is trying to offer too many services at once. While it's tempting to say yes to every client request, focusing on one core service initially can help you establish a strong foundation. For example, if you choose to focus on mowing lawns, concentrate on building a full schedule of clients within your target area before expanding into additional services like aeration or landscaping. Specializing in a single service not only improves efficiency, but also enhances your reputation as an expert in that area. Clients will view you as reliable and skilled, increasing their trust in your work. As your business grows, you can consider adding complementary services. For instance, if you already mow lawns, offering weed control and fertilization can be a natural progression that leverages your existing client base. Offering a single consistent service also helps with operational efficiency. It allows you to perfect your process, streamline your workflow, and handle more jobs in less time. Avoid the pitfalls of purchasing expensive equipment for services that you aren't fully committed to. For example, investing into a $10,000 aeration machine because a few customers requested that service may not yield the return that you expect. Instead, focus on services with consistent demand and low upfront costs. Also focus on building a solid client base before branching out. If you decide to expand your offerings later, you'll already have a loyal customer base to market to. Making that transition is so much smoother. Step 3 is controlling your expenses. Keeping expenses under control is critical in the early stages of your lawn care business. Starting with used or affordable equipment can help you minimize upfront costs while still delivering quality service. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace or local classified ads are excellent resources for finding gently used lawnmowers, trimmers, and other essential tools at a fraction of the cost of new equipment. The goal isn't to have the most expensive tools, it's to have reliable equipment that gets the job done efficiently. While it's important to keep expenses low, avoid cutting corners on reliability. A dependable lawnmower or trimmer can save time and prevent costly breakdowns, allowing you to focus on growing your business. As your cash flow improves, you can then consider upgrading your equipment to more efficient models that match your workload. For example, if you're primarily servicing large properties, investing in a wider mower can save time and effort. Additionally, having well-maintained tools improves the quality of your work, which can lead to better client retention and referrals. Managing cash flow efficiently is another key aspect of expense control. Aim to build a financial cushion to cover unexpected repairs or seasonal slowdowns. For instance, setting aside a portion of your income for off-season expenses can prevent financial stress during slower months. By maintaining a lean operation and avoiding unnecessary expenses, you'll position your business for sustainable growth without having to worry about downsides. For step 4, you'll want to price your services strategically. Setting the right pricing structure is essential for attracting the right clients and ensuring profitability. While it may be tempting to underprice your services to gain clients quickly, the approach often leads to attracting budget-conscious customers who may switch to a cheaper provider at the first opportunity. Instead, you want to aim for pricing that reflects the value of your work and attracts clients willing to pay for quality service. Consider the different pricing tiers in your market: low, medium, and high. Each group represents a distinct customer base, and targeting the right group can significantly impact your business. For example, customers seeking premium services may be willing to pay more, but they're also going to expect top-tier quality and professionalism. Similarly, medium-tier clients often prioritize a balance of quality and affordability, making them a stable and loyal customer base. When calculating your prices, factor in costs including equipment, maintenance, fuel, and your time. It's important to ensure that your rates provide a healthy profit margin after covering all your expenses. For recurring services like lawn mowing, package deals can encourage long-term commitments from clients. For example, offering a discount for weekly or bi-weekly service not only provides clients with savings, but also ensures consistent income for your business. Additionally, don't undervalue your time and expertise. If you have developed specialized skills such as pruning trees, designing landscapes, or other specialized lawn care services, make sure to reflect that value in your pricing. Charging appropriately not only benefits your bottom line, but also signals to clients that you're a professional offering high quality services. And for step 5, you need to make sure that you stay focused and motivated. Running a lawn care business can be extremely challenging, especially during busy seasons or when dealing with demanding clients. Staying motivated and focused on your goals is essential for long-term success. Remember that motivation often wanes over time, so it's important to develop habits that keep you on track. Regularly evaluate your business's progress and identify areas for improvement, whether it's increasing efficiency, expanding services, or improving customer relationships. It's also important to balance growth with sustainability. While rapid success can be exciting, it can also lead to burnout if not managed carefully. For example, if you find yourself overwhelmed with work, consider hiring part-time help to maintain quality and avoid overextending yourself. Similarly, set realistic goals for your business and celebrate milestones along the way to maintain a sense of accomplishment. If you've achieved your target income for the season, take time to reflect on what went well and plan for future improvements. And then, of course, lastly, view your lawn care business as more than just a way to make money. Providing a valuable service to your community and building relationships with clients can bring a sense of fulfillment beyond financial rewards. Many clients appreciate the work you do to enhance their outdoor spaces, and this positive feedback can serve as a motivating factor to keep improving. By staying focused on delivering quality service and continuously improving, you'll build a business that stands out in a competitive market. To make managing your business easier, make sure to check out links down in the description. You can use Deel payroll to handle future employment, hiring, and payroll. This is crucial if you're thinking about hiring part-time help or hiring just anybody in general for your business. Having a payroll software that easily pays them out on a month-to-month basis is going to make things so much easier on you and remove a lot of unnecessary headaches, especially when it comes to hiring. If you're looking to market your brand or create advertisements that you can hand out to people, I would definitely recommend checking out something like Canva. Canva is one of the best ways to create promotional ads or Facebook ads for flyers, getting your name out and potentially getting you more clients for your business. If you guys want to get started with either of these platforms or programs, make sure you use the links down in the description. You'll get an amazing discount in the process, plus it helps support this channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.